Hello everyone, this is a question from CMAT 25 slot 1. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. So basically it's a short reading comprehension, and then on the basis of this passage there are two questions. So first we are going to read the passage and then we will see the questions. Everyone in the fort was watching the action below with bated breath. So obviously some action was going below in the fort and people were watching it. And what is the meaning of bated breath? Bated breath means anxiously, worriedly. Shivaji dismounted at the first gate and ran up the steps. So Shivaji, he was on the horse, maybe he was on the horse, and then he get off it. And then he went upstairs. The cannons were waiting for his signal and everyone was watching him wide-eyed. So people, they were watching Shivaji and they were waiting for his signal. For his signal means for his instruction to fire the guns. His white kurta was torn at the back and was blowing in the wind. So the white kurta of Shivaji, it was torn. So basically it is a description of his dress and was blowing in the wind. The front was drenched in blood and his hair was disheveled. So the front part of the kurta, it was full of blood and his hair was untidy. So now let us see what the question says. What is the background of the actions at the king place in the given passage? I think it should be King Palace. Okay, so now the options are battlefield, celebration, physical exercise practice, religious rituals. So let us go for the elimination method first. Obviously, as the description of the white kurta of Shivaji is given and it was full of blood, it was torn and his hair was dirty. So obviously I cannot take B as the answer because it cannot be celebration, it cannot be even physical exercise practice, and between battlefield and religious rituals, because of the words cannons and because of the word action, therefore I am going to say that religious rituals will be eliminated and battlefield is going to be the right answer. Clear? Now, identify the narrative viewpoint employed in the above passage. Narrative viewpoint means whether the passage is written in first person, second person or third person. So what is first person, second person and third person? Basically there are three persons. So if I'm speaking something, it means I am a first person. If I'm talking to you, you are second person. If we both are talking about somebody else, he or she is third person. So when we say first person, I, and plural of I will be we. If I talk about second person, it is you. If I talk about third person, singular, it is he, she or it. And in plural, it is they. Okay. So because here the question is asking us whether the passage is in the first person, second person or third person, or maybe it's a mixed narrative. Mixed narrative means might be possible the author has used first or second person, second person, maybe second and third person, or maybe first and third person. So let us see now. So I'm going to pick his over here, and his is what? Third person. Everyone, even everyone is considered as third person. His, third person. So obviously third person is there and nowhere I can see I or we and nowhere I can see you. So obviously it is not written in second person, B is eliminated. It is not written in first person, it is eliminated. Now it is either between C or D. So when I say mixed narrative means it can be first and second, second and third, or first and third. But here the author has mentioned only the third person, therefore it is also eliminated. So right answer is going to be C. I hope you have understood. Thank you.